بسم اللہ الرحمن الرحیم۔ السلام علیکم۔ آپ دیکھ رہے ہیں ماسٹر سکرین یوٹیوب چینل۔ انجینئر باسط علی آپ کی خدمت میں حاضر ہے اور آپ کو خوش آمدید کہتا ہے۔ آج کے اس ویڈیو میں ہم آپ کے ساتھ ایم سی ایس ورچوئل یونیورسٹی کے کورس CS 504 سافٹ ویئر انجینئرنگ 1 کے موسٹ ریپیٹڈ MCQs شیئر کریں گے۔ آپ سے گزارش ہے کہ اگر آپ نے ابھی تک ہمارا چینل سبسکرائب نہیں کیا تو ہمارا چینل سبسکرائب کر لیں تاکہ لیٹسٹ ویڈیو کی اپڈیٹس آپ کو ملتی رہیں۔ آپ نے ویڈیو کو سٹارٹ سے اینڈ تک دیکھنا ہے تاکہ کوئی کوسچن مس نہ ہو۔ چلیے سٹارٹ کرتے ہیں۔ فرسٹ کوسچن، ہول پارٹ اسٹرکچر از آلسو کالڈ جنرلائزیشن، ایگریگیشن، ایسوسیشن، اسپیشلائزیشن۔ تو کریکٹ آنسر ہے ایگریگیشن۔ Next question is, a prototype is not the real product. It is rather just a real looking dash of what would be eventually delivered and might not to do anything useful. Options हैं mock-up, ad hoc, design, structure. तो correct answer है mock-up. Next question is, in railway ticket reservation system, the roles such as inquiry, reservation, ticketing and cancellation are to be performed by the user called. Options हैं passenger, system analyst, system developer, system designer. The correct answer is passenger. A useful technique for evaluating the overall complexity of a proposed architecture is to look at the components dash. Options हैं number and size of components, flow dependencies and sharing dependencies, size and cost, function points. And the correct answer is flow dependencies and sharing dependencies. Next question is, dash relationship is concerned with classes, not with the class instantiates. Options हैं association, inheritance, aggregation, composition. The correct answer is inheritance. Next question is, software development is a step-by-step process, and in dash phase of software development, business objective of an organization gets cleared. Options हैं maintenance, development, definition, VN. The correct answer is VN. Next question is, the data on which the program operates is also considered as a part of the dash. Options हैं important data, software, logical data, utility software. And the correct answer is software. Next question is, in sequence diagram, the objects are organized in a dash line and the events in a dash timeline. The options are horizontal straight, vertical straight, horizontal vertical, vertical horizontal. The correct answer is horizontal vertical. Next question is, requirement engineering mainly deals with the dash of the system. Options हैं VN phase, definition phase, development phase, maintenance phase. And the correct answer is definition phase. Next question is, a dash relationship indicates that one entity is composed of one or more parts which are themselves instances of that or another entity. Options are inheritance, whole part, generalization, specialization. and the correct answer is whole part. Next question is, in the case of dash intra-component linkages are stronger while inter-component linkages are weak. Options are high cohesion, low coupling, low cohesion, high coupling, and the correct answer is low coupling. Next question is, transactions are the dash that must be remembered through time. Options are events, actions, triggers, methods, and the correct answer is events. Next question is, the modules interacting with each other through message passing have dash between them. Options are low cohesion, high coupling, low coupling, and the correct answer is low coupling. Next question is, which statement is not according to the software engineering principles? Software engineering is an dash balancing act, disciplined approach, unsystematic approach, quantifiable approach, and the correct answer is unsystematic approach. Next question is, more powerful hardware resulted into the development of dash powerful and dash software. Options are less complex, more complex, more simple, less simple, and the correct answer is more complex, more powerful and complex software. Next question is, architectural design process involves performing a number of activities which include system structuring, control modeling and dash. Options हैं system analysis, modular decomposition, testing, graphical user interface, and the correct answer is modular decomposition. Next question is, in use case diagram the scope of system is defined by. Options are actor, entity, system boundary, extend the relationship, and the correct answer is system boundary. Next question is, a dash is not the real product but just a real looking mock-up of what would be eventually delivered. The options are software, program, prototype, test case, and the correct answer is prototype. A prototype is not a real product. Next question is, in data flow diagram, the entity or system outside the boundary of this system is called. Options हैं process, data flow, external agent and data store, and the correct answer is external agent. Next question is, a cohesive class is one which emphasizes on dash unit of functionality. Options हैं single, multiple, static, both single and multiple, and the correct answer is multiple. Next question is, the goal of dash is to translate the customer's desire for a set of defined capabilities into a working product. Options are electrical engineering, product engineering, hardware engineering, mechanical engineering. The correct answer is product engineering. The goal of product engineering is to translate the customer's desires. Next question is, in object-oriented design, dash layer contains the details that enable each object to communicate with its collaborators. The options are subsystem, responsibility, message, object. The correct answer is message. Next question is, As per Peter Core's methodology, which of the following may not be a perfect candidate for being an object? The options are zone, recipient, garage, password. And the correct answer is password. Next question is, which part of the given component of a software engineering framework provides different techniques that can be used to perform a particular task? Options are processes, tools, methods, quality focus. And the correct option is methods. Next question is, in dash relationship, a class shares the structure and behavior defined in another class. The options are aggregation, composition, inheritance, uses. And the correct answer is inheritance. Next question is, prototyping is used when there is regarding requirements. Options are uncertainty, confirmation, conflict, consensus. And the correct option is uncertainty. Next question is, the process of utilizing our knowledge of computer science in effective production of software system is called. Options are chemical engineering, electrical engineering, computer engineering, and software engineering. And the correct option is software engineering. Next question is, to help separate an object's external behavior from its implementation, the technique used is called dash. Generalization, association, composition, abstraction. And the correct option is abstraction. Next question is, a process in data flow diagram DFD represents. Options are flow of data, transformation of data, storage of data, and external agent. And the correct option is transformation of data. Next question is, in data flow diagram, create, update, delete, and read operations are normally called CRUD operations, DURC operations, RUDC operations, CDUR operations. And the correct option is CRUD operations, CRUD operations. Next question is, selecting objects in domain include. Options are actors, participants, and places. Only participants, only actors, only actor and places. And the correct option is actors, participants, and places. Next question is, defining the service of an object means what it does, what it knows, whom it knows. And the correct option is what it does. आप हमारे चैनल को सब्सक्राइब कर लें ताकि इस तरह की जो वीडियोस हम अपलोड करें स्टडी के हवाले से तो उनकी जो अपडेट है वो आपको मिलती रहे। थैंक यू वॉचिंग फॉर दिस वीडियो। अल्लाह हाफिज़।